Hey, so you want to create simple, beautiful one-page websites? Card is perfect for that. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to get started and build your first site quickly. Go to card.co and sign up for a free account, or log in if you already have one. Free accounts are enough to start, but Pro unlocks advanced features. Click New Site and browse the templates. You can start with a blank page or choose a template that fits your style. Click on any element to edit text, images, or links. You can add sections, buttons, forms, videos, and more. Customize colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand. Add buttons or links to connect to your social media, products, or other pages. You can set them to open in a new tab or scroll to sections. If you want to collect emails or feedback, add a form. Connect it to your email service or download submissions directly. Click Preview to see how your site looks on desktop and mobile. Make adjustments if something looks off. When ready, click Publish. Choose a free card.co subdomain or connect your own custom domain if you're on Pro. Share your link on social media, email, or business cards. Card sites are lightweight, so they load fast on any device. You can edit your site anytime, update content, add new sections, or improve design as your needs change. So yeah, that's how to use Card step by step. Pick a template, customize it, add links and forms, then publish and share. In minutes, you can have a sleek one-page website ready for your audience.